recognition plan. How to hit 1 star? If you want to hit 1 star, okay, you just need 10 platinum sa left, 10 platinum sa right. Okay? So meaning to say, kung diamond yan is 4 diamonds left and 4 diamonds right. But if in one sa kay Riway, if you are within 1 month, sabihin natin, first time mo nag-encode ng 1 set, during this month, you only need 7 sets to become 1 star. But after the first month, 8 sets na. 4 diamonds left, 4 diamonds right. Now, how to get or how to become 2 star? If you want to hit 2 star, you need 1 star left and correct, 1 star right. How to become 3 star?
1, 2 star.
2 star sa left and
2 stars sa right.
2 stars sa right. Complicated? No. So meaning to say, ganito pala yung system ni Riway. Once you already invited or sold 8 sets or fighted for 1 star, the people who are interested to do the business, you teach them how to become 1 star only. When you teach them how to become 1 star, sabihin natin may dalawa, nag 1 star sa left and right mo, automatic you become 2 star. And since you pass down this kind of culture or training, these 1 stars under them, meron din silang 8 sets, di ba? Or mga interested din mag-go inside. What your 1 stars will do, they will teach them or they will teach the people how to hit 1 star because na-experience nila mag 1 star. Of course, ikaw, you will back them up also like Diane's doing with us, right? So pag nag 1 star na yung left and right dito, may nag 1 star din dito. Anong star na sila? 2 star na.
2 star na.
So pag may 2 star ka na sa left and right mo, ano ka?
3 star ka na.
3 star ka na. So that's how actually Riway works it.
Pag pavo, 3.
Pag pavo, okay. 'Di ba ang diamond account ganito ang itsura, right? Ganyan. Unit 1, unit 2, unit 3, 'di ba? If you want to hit Team Elite Pavo, you need to have 2 units hit 3 star for 3 consecutive months. Let's say for example, mag 3 star to sa unit 1, siguro dito sa unit 2 3 star din. Dapat mag-hit to ng 3 star for 3 consecutive months. That's the time you will hit Team Elite Pavo.
Siya mismo.
So meaning to say, you need 3 2 stars below you.
Below you.
Why? Di ba binary system si Riway? Pag ito may 2 stars sa left, ito may 2 stars sa right, yan. Anong star na to? 3 star.
3 star na.
So, since si Riway is kumbaga, a binary system, may aakyat dito na 2 star sa unit 1. Okay? Yung points ng 2 star dito aakyat. Meaning to say, may 2 star right na siya. Kasi left and right to. Left. Yan. May 2 star left na siya. So, only thing she needs, here in the right, unit 3 mo, kailangan may mag 2 star din dito. Okay? Why? Itong si unit 1 mo, pag may 2 star sa left, may 2 star sa right, ano siya? 3 star.
3 star.
Okay. So, unit 2, unit 1 mo, nag 3 star, first month pavo ka na. So, you need to hit it 3 months. 3 months consecutive mo i-hit na 3 star to. You will become Team Elite Pavo. But ito ang kagandahan kay Riway. Let's say for example, sobrang laki na nung 3 mo. Sabihin natin 80 people down below you. May nag 2 star doon. Aakyat yun dito. Ganon din sa unit 2 mo. Halimbawa sa left mo, sa 500 level dun sa pinakang dulo mo, may nag 1 star or nag 2 star doon. Aakyat din yan sa'yo. Meron ka ng 2 star left. So, kailangan mo 2 star left, 2 star right. Since may 2 star na dito sa unit mo, dito sa left side mo, aakyat yan. So, meron ka ng 2 star right.
Tapos nakikita din yan sa system.
Yes, lahat nandito sa system. So, pag may 2 star left and right ka na, 3 star na ito. Unit 1 mo. 3 star na rin ito. Clear?
Clear.
Yeah.
Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple si Riway. That's why napansin mo si Dayan. Dayan wants to teach you, wants to help you, wants to guide you. Dayan don't want to sell. If we start selling here in Riway, sige, income tayo ng malaki. Yes, income tayo ng malaki. But let's say 10 years after, you're still selling. But Riway, di ba kaya nga tayo may matching bonus and development bonus? These are the things that you have a chance na kahit ikulong tayo ng 1 year or 1 month, paglabas mo mas mayaman ka na. Di ba? So, that's why it's like this. And that's why Dayan wants it this way. Once na mahit mo yung 1 star mo, you have experience already in selling, right? You've been selling for 8 people. What you do, these 8 people na bumili sa'yo, teach them how to become 1 star also. They need to have 8 sets. Let's say for example, 2 lang dun sa 8 people mo nag 1 star. Left and right. Anong rank ka na? 2 star.
2 star.
Do you think yung mga nag 1 star sa'yo, gusto din nila mag 2 star? Yes, gusto nila mag 2 star. Kasi ang 2 star, ang income 200,000 to 250,000 per month. So yung mga nag 1 star sa'yo, tuturuan naman nila yung nabilhan nila ng 8, yung nabentahan nila ng 8 sets, kung paano mag 1 star. Kasi gusto rin nila mag-start ng business, right? So once na nag 2 star na yung mga 1 star mo dati, 3 star ka na. 'Di ba? So hanggang palaki ng palaki na abot sa point na yung ibang accounts mo nagti 3 star na naturally, tapos alam mo yon, nagiging pabo ka na, tapos mamaya Pegasus 13 accounts, 13 na units mo dapat mag 3 star, 3 consecutive months. Ganun ang Pegasus. But ito yung pinakang first rank sa Team Elite ranks natin. Pabo.
Tsaka di ba may specific na income yung per star?
Per star?
Yung 1 star.
Actually, it still depends dun sa sales nyo. Kasi minsan, 1 star ka na, but sabihin natin sobrang dami ng sales mo. So, pwedeng umakyat pa yung income mo. Depende sa depende sa sales mo.
Okay, depende. So, ganun pala siya nag-harmonize yung dalawang con.
Yes. Any questions? Clear na?
Yes.
Okay. So that's why we always say, that's why we are called leaders. Because we lead a team that wants to that they have a goal. May goal ka na mag 1 star ka, sige, you work on it. Yung halimbawa may friend ka na gusto rin mag 1 star, sabihin mo 2, left and right mo lang yun. Tulungan mo silang mag 1 star. Maybe go to the meetings they go, may meet silang clients, guide them, talk together with them, eat with them, go coffee with them. Pag na-hit nila yung 1 star left and right, ano ka na? 2 star ka na. Di ba? And then of course, since makikita nila, uy, ang ganda pala dito kay Riway, ang income ng 1 star, potentially 100,000 to 150,000. Sige, gusto ko mag-fight ng 2 star. Of course, you guide them again. Tapos, of course, yung nabilhan nila ng itong sets, like kanina na sinabi ko, sila naman yung parang tutulungan nila mag 1 star. Pag nag 2 star na sila, 3 star ka na. Kasi ngayon baka sabihin nyo, Sir Nathan, paano mag 2 star? Ha? 16 sets? Magkano yung 16 sets? 16 times 135. Ha? More than 2 million? Grabe, Sir Nathan, hindi ko kaya mag 2 star, 2 million pesos, sobrang mahal. If this is our mindset, of course, mahirapan tayo. Right? But if we work together as a team, definitely we can do it. That's why kaya nga si Dayan ngayon, kahit, ang layo-layo niya sa bahay niya ngayon, but he really wants to go down here to also influence you, try to guide you, para, alam mo yan, pag kayo nag-rank up, definitely mag-rank up din si Dayan. Ganito kay Riway. The more people you help, the more you become successful. You have no choice, sorry. There's no any shortcuts or anything here in Riway. The only choice to do is you need to help people. If you help people to become successful, that's the time you will become successful talaga. Because, leadership company si Riway. Yun. If you want to rank up also, you need to help a lot of people. Ganun lang siya.